All right, you guys, I told you every week I was going to drop some knowledge on y'all. As y'all can see right now, I'm currently in the process of starting me a garden. At the end of the day, what they don't tell y'all is that meat causes a lot of our sicknesses, whether it's inflammation, whether it's diabetes, whether it's Alzheimer's, however you want to call it, high blood pressure. They want us to believe that, oh, it's genetics and this and that and the third, but nope, it comes from what we put in our bodies. So for those of you all that don't know, I am currently a pescatarian. I left meat alone. I'm currently 2 months strong in it. No meat at all. Vegetables, fruits, herbs, grain, breads, rice. I can have any plant-based stuff except for meats. And I do love seafood, so I do my seafood. But I don't eat any meat. I don't eat chicken. I don't eat cow. I don't eat beef. None of that. I don't eat none of it. As y'all know, none of it. So what we're doing is right now, I'm taking my Jungle flour and vegetable mix and mixing it with some compote, lawn and garden. So I'm gonna do me some vegetables, fruits, and herbs. So I'm taking my bag of Jungle flour and vegetables, and I'm mixing it with my compote, which makes a very good fertilizer, in case you all didn't know, to start my garden. So just keep watching me, keep staying tuned, and y'all gonna learn a lot. I'm gonna do my garden. I'm also gonna have me a farm. So just watch, stay tuned, and I'm gonna keep y'all updated on the garden. Peace. Okay, again, we broke the roots up. See my fingertip? We broke the roots up, so we're gonna put them in there, in the pot. All right. So it's gonna look like that. Now you see, if we let it go, it's gonna fall. So you have to take dirt and you have to pack it around the old dirt and the roots. So we want to basically just pack it around there like that. All right. You don't want to kind of pack it. You want to kind of put enough, push down just firmly a little bit, and then you want to get some more dirt and compote and keep going until the pot is kind of full and it's nice and pretty around the plant. All right. See? Nice and pretty around the plant. So, all right. And that's your finished product, y'all. Nice and pretty. So now this is my okra plants. As you can see, I did the same process to get my okra plants the way I want them. So right now they're currently, to seed them, put them in the ground and start them from a seed is out of season right now. But you can repot them if you have the plants to repot the plants. So these are my okras. Next I will be doing, let's see what I'm gonna be doing. Next is I'm gonna be doing some lettuce. I'm gonna be doing some cantaloupe, some spinach. I'm gonna be doing beets, and I have some watermelon seeds, but right now watermelon is currently out of season to start the seeds. So if you plant them right now and they're out of season, then you have to realize that they're not going to bear fruit, so because you planted it out of season. So I'll keep y'all posted. All right, you guys, this is the finished product. As you can see, we have lettuce right here, the first 12 rows of lettuce. Then you have spinach. You have the last 12 rows of spinach. All right. Then you have watermelon. Again, watermelon is out of season to seed, but we're going to try it and see what happens. These are the pepper plants. You have green, you have red, and you have orange. I had already started these, the pepper plants, But they keep on growing. As you can see, they have little buds on it. I also have like a little green pepper on one of them, on a green pepper one, which is basically, see, this one is the green pepper, so it's on this one. Yeah, I have a little green pepper. These are my ivories I'm gonna start for inside. I'm gonna try the heart-shaped Pontus ivories. But the pots that the ivories are sitting on is the beets. I had did me some beets because beets are real good for your iron. So I did me some beet seeds. Those are in season, so you can pot those. But if you want to start like ivories, start like Pontus, golden Pontus. They call these Pontus, golden Pontus. As you can see, those are the roots. And I cut it from a piece. I'm gonna grow it from a piece of an ivory. But those are the roots. And all you do is let them sit for about 2-3 days, or you can put them in water, either or. And once you do that, then you repot them and they'll take off. So I'm gonna leave that right there because it's about to rain down here and I want them to get some rainwater. Those are my okra plants. Again, another piece of ivory, but it's sitting on my cantaloupe pots. So I planted me some cantaloupes also. So again, this is the finished product, as y'all can see. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated on the growth. See y'all later.